Hello guys. Okay, if you are watching this video from my YouTube channel, I would like to welcome you if you're new, or if you've subscribed to my channel. Thank you guys for your subscription. Today is going to be very simple because I am only blooming some of my baking soda, and blooming is for dyes only. Okay, so only dyes need to be bloomed. Lakes doesn't need to be bloomed, and neither does micas doesn't need blooming. And blooming is basically adding I'm using blackout. I love using blackout because this is for Halloween project coming up. So what I do is I add I have about 14 ounces of baking soda in here, and I add the blackout to very hot water. And before this water gets hot, I'm going to add, you see that? This is this needs really hot water. And I love the way Gale packaged this. It has a sealing at the top. So gloves on. I always do this. I put on no gloves, and this water has to be very hot. You see that? Okay, I'm gonna use my froth mixer to mix in the rest of this. Oh, see, there's a little, oh, no, that's nothing. Okay, I think that's all mixed in. Wash it. Ooh, oh, it is really, this is really, hopefully. Alright, so, now that I got that all mixed in, checking to see if any clumps is at the bottom. Oh, wait a minute. I did put something in here that should not be in here. Oh, my stick. Trying to get as much of the color off as I can. Oh. Okay. Well, okay. Alright. And that's gonna pour that in there and mix it up. Alright, just scrape down the bowl. See how black that is already? Look at that. That's fairly black. But I'm gonna add some more. So it doesn't take long to get the mixture in, and I hope that's enough to, so when I add my my other dry ingredients, I think I'll do a little bit more darker, so I want it really dark. And then I'm going to mix it up with my hands a little bit, just to make sure no streaks and all that stuff. But this is a great way to do it with a stand mixer. It's way more, less stress on your hands if you have arthritis and if you have muscle issues like I do. This is less stressful for the hands. Alright guys, so I'm finished mixing it in with my stand mixer. You can do this with your hands or a hand mixer, but it works so much better with a stand mixer. But not everybody have a stand mixer. I didn't start it with a stand mixer. I just got this stand mixer this year, and I've been making bath bombs for a while, and I was using a stand mixer, but it was a Betty Crocker and it sucked, but it got the job done. So all I do is mix this in with my hand like this, rub it together. Oh, it's so wet, it's like damp, very damp, earthy feel. You know when it rains outside and the earth gets really damp? Yeah. And I wanted to say that I wanted to talk about my group. I've been having a lot of, I guess a lot of people weren't able to access the files in Facebook, and I sent them a message and it was fixed. So now you can access the files, but I'm going to try a few things. I'm going to do a video as an update, another update as to what is gonna happen with recipes, where it's going to be, where you can find it, and also for you to use the announcement, read the announcement section. I do put sometimes some recipes, I do put it in that section. And there is something called units. I have no idea what units is, but I will use it also to put like new recipes that are already on under the files. I will not put that in the units section. So just to bring you guys just a little bit of what is to come. And this blooming video will be under I think I'll be doing this as an event and under files and maybe on the units. We'll see. And what I need now is a tray to put this in. I need to get bigger trays. I need to get bigger trays to put in my, and basically I put it in here, if you can see that. I put my mixture in here and I let it dry out. I think I'll give this 2 days of drying time because the weather is not as hot. It's pretty nice today, and yeah. I'm gonna use another tray. So this is it, guys, for blooming. Dyes only. You don't need you don't need you don't need to bloom lakes. I think that's why some people use lakes, because you don't have to bloom it. So that's it, guys. That is it. Questions, anything, if you're on YouTube, you can join my Facebook group. The link is below the video. And if you're in my group, you know, you can just message me or post your questions. Okay, thank you, guys. I will see you in another video. Bye for now.